A lot about alternative medicine these days, options other than prescriptions and surgery to feel better. A device used by VA hospitals to treat veterans for chronic pain and PTSD is now being used to treat a variety of symptoms in other patients, and the results are pretty remarkable. Here's Kim Gable.
This is Therese Walsh's happy place. For about 5 months now, she's been coming to Dr. Safdar Chaudhary's practice at least twice a week. No pill prescriptions or invasive procedures, just a soothing 20-minute session with this, the Alpha-Stim.
Well, I've battled depression and alcoholism and ADD most of my life, so I've been trying different. I have 28 years sober, so for 28 years I've been trying different therapies, and I was so excited just because I tend to try to use the least amount of medicine that I can, and this was just a wonderful opportunity.
The science behind this approach is cranial electrotherapy, using electrodes applied to the earlobes to transmit the signal.
So this kind of technology is geared to stimulate an alpha state, which is a calm state.
Dr. Chaudhary says there's some misconceptions that this is like shock therapy. Well, it's not. It kind of micromodulates the brain, but in a subtle way.
I knew that there's a medical methodology of medicines helping the neurotransmitters and or an electrical based shifting the brain's functioning. I wouldn't be convinced if my patients were not getting better. So first I was able to see the science was there. I knew enough to know that it could potentially work.
The second it hit my ears, I instantaneously feel it. It's kind of like a little blink, and I just feel the energy of it. It's just kind of like a natural euphoric calmness. Not like a high per se, but just you feel really relaxed. It helps me sleep. I just feel like a whole different human.
Right now, it's FDA cleared to treat anxiety, insomnia, depression, and pain.
The thing about the Alpha-Stim device is it's cumulative. So that means that the more you use it, the better it works. And the same thing even on the pain side.
The Alpha-Stim Aid is what Therese used. And there's another model specifically for physical pain.
This is the Alpha-Stim M. You notice it also has the ear clips. It also has probes for treating pain peripherally.
And are you seeing patients saying the same thing about this, that their pain is alleviated pretty
Absolutely.
immediately?
Yeah, sometimes I get the wide eyes. You know, somebody gets treated, gets their pain relieved, and they can't believe that it happens so fast, and they've been going through so many years of not getting good pain control.
And something else is happening too. A lot of patients are gaining energy and shedding pounds.
So it's an indirect way of losing weight because we are calm and collected and focused and attentive. And life is beautiful.
And with the potential for better sleep, I wanted to give it a try too.
Most people would notice a little buzzing in their tingling sensation.
Am I going to start to feel that?
Well, we'll find out.
Oh my goodness. You know, it's like a sort of a blanket of
Calmness.
that starts up here and sort of goes down through my extremities.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Everyone responds differently, but for me, the effects were pretty remarkable.
And there's no way of knowing how one person is going to respond compared to another.
That's the magic.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that magic is neither known to me nor to you.
But I felt that immediately.
Immediately, yeah, yeah.
Is that a typical response that you get? Is that a sort of a description that you get from a lot of folks?
Yes.
And for patients like Therese, continued use has given her life back.
It is life-changing. It really is.
Kim Gable, KDKA TV News.
Now, patients have the option of being treated in the office or at home. The Alpha-Stim Aid is $795. The Alpha-Stim M for pain is a little over $1,000.